Again, I suspect that this is part 2. I'll have to look for part 1. I'll have to post these things. So this is Chantilly lace. These are covered with Prizm Pours. And this is Mayan gold. And this is hot orchid. And I have an idea. It might be a completely wrong idea, but I suspect that it might work out if I'm lucky. And I intend on being lucky. Now the hot orchid bleeds, which is probably a handy thing for me right now. Move some of these out of the way. I always wanted to do this. Should be like no bubbles left. Could use a scrape dish. What have I got? Yep. Okay, so I have little tools and larger tools. That one goes in the bucket, and it looks like I've done something with the... There it is, it's right there. Now I thought I'd be able to see the pattern, but I don't see it. So I'm going to start with a smaller tool. And then work my way back. I'm going to wipe off my tool. That's a Q-tip. Dry paintings are great to work on, but you need to keep Q-tips handy. And I like the bigger end of the Toothy tools because it exposes more colors. Your paint can't be too thick either, or it just fills right back in again. Like the little one did. Bigger teeth work better for a lot of reasons, I think. I wanted to use some black, but I was nervous. I do have some other scraping tools that I could take more paint off the canvas if I wanted to, but I kind of like that like it is. Let me see. Do I want to do anything to that? No, I'm all good. That's going to work for me. I'm sort of sorry to see the other painting go, but it wasn't anything that was my best work. Anyway. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thanks for joining me. Thanks for inspiring me. And I hope you join me again. I post at noon. Yeah, I'm doing it. Eastern Standard Time. 7 days a week. I like those colors together. I like them even better with a little bit more right there. Okay. We'll see how it dries tomorrow. Love those colors. I like the purple showing through too. It's pretty neat. And since they're Prizm pours, I should go ahead and shimmer them at you. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Don't forget the 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colour Arte products. I'm an affiliate, so if you do some shopping, you'll help me out. The Hot Orchid is available as Jasmine pigment powder in primary elements, just in case you're looking for the Hot Orchid and you don't find it in Prizm pours. If you guys have questions, please feel free to ask me. Your comments are appreciated and you boost my morale. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my art. I appreciate your thumbs up, so thank you for giving me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. My Amazon link is on the link tree along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Should you be someone who does make a donation through PayPal on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on my link tree, which is under Show More under the video, you'll have 30 days to request a 15-minute consultation if you'd like to talk to me. All of my gear is at Society6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, The Gallerist, and Spring Clothing underneath the video. I had a brain cramp for a minute. My paint pouring recipes are under the video. I will be looking for bubbles and popping them with a skewer. I might torch real quickly. But my community board should have tomorrow's video. I have 2,400 videos, and if you are interested in finding what you're looking for, I have playlists. Go to my channel, look for playlists, all playlists, creative playlists, or Ask Me, because I have them handy and organized and available, easily retrievable for you. Topic, genre, and by the 100. All right, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you, all of you. Thanks again for inspiring me. I'll see you anon.